How to delete a Facebook page. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete a Facebook page permanently. Follow the steps below to delete a Facebook page on desktop PC. Step 1. Navigate to facebook.com on your Google Chrome browser or any browser. Step 2. Select the menu button in the top right of Facebook and select Pages. Step 3. Find the Facebook page you want to delete and select Switch Now. Step 4. Once the page loads, select the three horizontal dots just under Edit on the page you want to delete. Step 5. Select the Page and Tagging Settings option. Step 6. Once on Page and Tagging Settings, in the left menu click Facebook Page Information in the left menu. Step 7. Select View next to Deactivation and Deletion. Step 8. Choose to either deactivate your Facebook page or delete your Facebook page, then select Continue. Step 9. Again click the Continue button. Step 10. Fill in the password and delete the page permanently. If you want to stay updated with technology, if you are interested in PC tricks, PC problem solutions, software reviews, Windows-related problems, then please you can subscribe to our channel.